Alright guys, today we're going to build a chainsaw lanyard to your exact size. Whatever your arm span is, that's how you're going to measure the cordage that you're going to use. And all you need is some small bungee and some scrap rope. I got some Blue Moon here. Just take an arm span of both. You can make it a little longer if you want. Burn. And cut that to your arm length, your wingspan. And then you find the end of the rope. All right. You take an arm span of this. Make it a little longer. And I couldn't find any tape. Normally you could tape the ends. Save your rope from unraveling. Tension helps cut it. There's that. Essentially what we're going to do is double over that bungee and pull it through this rope with a core. Alright. So we've got this, your arm span, and this. We're going to take, put a couple figure eights in the end of this. Beans. Stopper knots. I got that. That's how long your bungee's going to be, or your lanyard, when we're done. You take this. Hopefully this isn't long enough. Not too long. But you want to make a little prusik loop. I usually use Dynaglide because I have a bunch of it laying around, but anything will do that'll grab on this little bungee. Tie me a little Zeppelin bend, make the loop. Almost. Oh. That's tough. These fat fingers. That ought to do. Alright, now we got our little loop here, a loop, make a little 6 coil, 2, 3, wait a minute, we're just right. Let's see, now we got a little 6 coil loop right there. This is one side. I usually connect this side to the chainsaw because it's a little floppy. So we're almost home. I've got this here. We're going to take a little bit of this core. I like 2 or 3 strands usually of the core. We're going to wrap it. This part's kind of tough. There's that. Okay. Now we got a little sheet bend on that. We're going to try to pull it through this. Got to get a hold of the core. Ooh, it's already got movement. You can start pulling it down. You just go right in there. Ooh, like that. Okay. And almost. It gets a little tough on the end because you want it to bunch up this rope. What's going on here? No, come on. Oh, where is it? Weird. This is new. I think we're getting there. There we go. Oh, look at that. Then you got this here. Just gotta pop this off. Maybe. Okay. Don't lose this end or it'll go back through there. Take these up, cut them. Sometimes I leave them, they look kind of cool. But normally you tape that there. But now you've got your own personal bungee that reaches exactly your arm length.